Have you ever been to a one-to-one where you've met somebody, had a really nice experience with them, and seen them again at a chamber event a month later and didn't remember their name? I know it happens to me all the time, and it's not even a senior moment yet, I hope. But in any case, the type of relationships don't happen by virtue of just one or two meetings. They happen as a result of seeing people regularly. It's what the term propinquity means. The relationships that you develop as a result of seeing people regularly. And that's what we foster here at the collaboration between Liberty Office Suites and C3 Workplaces.
Absolutely. Those of you who have been listening to me rant for the last couple of years know how much I believe in the power of collaboration. In fact, the C3 stands for Connect, Collaborate, Community. And Ron and I met each other through the Morris County Chamber of Commerce, and we took that time to invest to get to know each other. And we are delighted to announce today the strategic partnership of our two companies. Ron has been operating Liberty Suites in Montville for quite some time now, and he is expanding into a beautiful location in Parsippany, New Jersey. And I have been operating out of Montclair and Sparta. But what we're collaborating on is we will take our back office support services, all those things that we do to help you to focus on driving your business forward, and Ron will focus on what he does really well, which is fantastic professional turnkey office space. So I guess our story this morning is short, but it's about the power of networking leading to strategic partnerships. So watch us for news in the upcoming months and how you can take advantage of this great collaboration. And we look forward to helping you grow your business and create your strategic partnerships as well.
Take it there, partner.
Absolutely.